I was at the store the other day and I was blown away by just how good the peaches looked. And since they're at their peak and are so reasonable, I picked up a bunch to make one of my summertime favorites, mini peach ham pies. To make these just the right size beauties, we begin with the filling. It's simply some fresh peaches that we've peeled and diced, along with some cinnamon sugar, a bit of lemon juice, and a little flour. The flour helps thicken the filling as it bakes. Next, we cut out some circles from a refrigerated pie crust using either a biscuit cutter or a drinking glass. Now, we spoon the filling on half of our circles and top each one with another piece. Then, using a fork, we seal the edges and cut a slit in the top. A quick brush with an egg wash and a little sugar, and they'll be ready to go into the oven. When the crust is golden and they've cooled slightly, they're ready to serve as is. Or, how about teaming them with a scoop of vanilla ice cream? To get the recipe for our fresh peach ham pies, all you have to do is check out our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fresh and peachy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.